Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm doing a review of the All Things Bright and Beautiful Coloring the Christian Hymn Book by Get Creative 6. They sent it to me for this review, and I'm excited to share it with you because when we're done with this review, I'm going to go ahead and give it away in celebration of returning safely from our Ireland trip. What's really awesome, and I thought was super cool, is that this hymn was created by, let me tell you her name, Cecil Alexander, and appeared in the collection of hymns for little children in 1864. And if I look at about the author, Cecil Francis Alexander, he was born in Dublin, Ireland in 1818. So it's perfect to give away as a result of coming home safely from Ireland. So let's go ahead and get started. To enter the drawing, please go to BibleJournalingMinistries.com. I will link up below so that you can, or link up above, wherever the link is going to be. Just look in the description. That's where the link will be. You can go ahead and enter on our website there, and we will do the giveaway, probably give it about a week, and we'll have the drawing in about 7 days, so that way everyone has a chance to see and enter. This book retails for $9.95 US and $13.50 Canada, and basically it starts off with a little bit about the author and the hymn and where the hymn may have been derived from. I thought that was an interesting story. Beautiful coloring options here. If you like to color, you have, this is going to be perfect for you. You have the hymn here, which I think is gorgeous, and a lot of the different elements here are just going to be really fun for those of you who like to color. So if you like to color with markers or you like to color with colored pencils, the pages in here will do really well with that kind of medium. And then basically the book goes ahead and just goes through the hymn. So All Things Bright and Beautiful, that's the first part of the hymn. And then it goes all creatures great and small, and then this is about creatures, and then that's the next part. So I just thought this was really cleverly done, and the paper is pretty thick and nice. The images are really, really beautiful, and I just can see having so much fun. Whoever gets this book is just gonna love coloring in it. I'm so excited for you. Then you can just also, you can put this in your Bible if you want to maybe cut one of these out and place it in your Bible. That would be nice, or you can even place it underneath the page of your Bible and you could trace it there. Anyways, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but the pages, again, they're pretty sturdy, so I can see markers doing really well with this. Any kind of watercolor probably will do fine. It's not watercolor paper, but it is thick, so it might work pretty good. Acrylics for sure will work in this. Gelatos, yes. And obviously pencils, I think, will do very well with this. But it's a beautiful, beautiful book, and it's made pretty nice. It's a softback book, and for $10 I think it's really fun and great. So again, to enter the drawing, visit us online at BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and we will have that there for you to go ahead and enter. Good luck to you, and you have a fabulous day. Talk to you soon. Goodbye.